What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. I'm out here super early this morning. Time check, it's about 6 o'clock on the dot. Here with my kayak, who I have yet to name. I'm looking for a name for my kayak, so if y'all want to get in that comment section to help me out. I'm at my little honey hole, which I have been going to the past couple of days, but it's been in the evening. This summer I haven't hit it in the morning at all, so I'm looking to see if the topwater bite differs from evening or in the morning. I got my kayak, I got my rods in the car, got some fire lures. I mean, we're just asking for a good time. So I'm gonna go ahead and unload the kayak, load all the gear up, put y'all on the GoPro, and we'll just see what we can get into, man. Let's go. Okay, got my kayak all set up. I need to grab some rods and some tackle. For sure I'm gonna bring my chatterbait and my 10-inch worm. Those are given for me. And I am tying on this frog, specifically this Guggen Squad frog, the filthy frog, I think they call it. Yeah, this thing just looks too good not to throw. I hit this Palomar knot one time. Boom, boom, boom. Put that up. Oh. There we go. Go ahead and get her down. Couldn't have done that with my old kayak, that's for sure. All right, we are off. Seeing a lot of activity, So peaceful out here. I'm gonna bust out that frog and start casting around. So I don't want to sneak up on one and not be able to catch it. I'm gonna start casting in these holes in this grass and hopefully link up into one or two. I want to move a little closer to these trees. The shallow bank is gonna be the deal. Ooh, something just try to get it through the grass. Oh, I'm gonna cast over there again. Got him through the grass. Let's go. Ah, I knew it. Maybe come back for it. Come on, get over here. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, he's barely hooked. Come here. Stop moving. Let's go. Whew. That dude nailed it. Oh my God. Through the grass. Look at that frog. Woo. He wanted it bad. He came back for it twice. Look at that guy. Holy smokes. He really wanted that because I casted once and he hit it. But he was underneath the grass, so I guess he couldn't see it exactly. But so he missed it. I pitched right back in there, let it sit in the exact same spot, didn't even move it. He just boom. Dang. Got a pretty big head on him, a little body. Yeah, whoo, that's insane. Anyways, let's get him back. Don't want to keep him out for too long. Let's get him back in there. Give him a little whoop. All right, whew. That was sweet. We need more of that action right there. Starting to look like they are a lot more aggressive in the morning versus evening, which I am liking. Go ahead and start keep casting underneath this tree line. At one point I can't even see my frog. You can only hear it. It's gonna make for an interesting hook set if I get a blow up. A lot of open water right here. A on this bank. I can't get this frog in there. Right here. Oh God. Right when it hit the water, something came up and grabbed it. I wasn't sure. It was like literally so small. It was like the tiniest fish. I didn't know it was a bluegill just jumping up at it or what, but that was cool. There's so much activity going on. You just like kind of don't know where to cast. So much. Oh, he popped off. God dang it. I horsed him too fast. Dang. That was insane. Y'all had to have seen that. It sucks even more because it's my top water slash like jigging reel. But apparently I have a gear plate in here that's cracked and it causes this. See? So when I set the hook on this thing, I have to hold the spool or it's gonna reverse. And apparently that's what it caused. I called Lose and they said that they're gonna send me a new gear plate for free. But I mean, until then, this is what I'm rocking. And it sucks, but I've dealt with worse. It's kind of hard to navigate through this big stuff. How about right here? I can get a better vantage point on this tree. Get underneath there, yeah. Oh, missed it. And you heard my reel. You heard it. Oh, dang. These little ones are just pecking at it. Looks like they're taking under and then they stop. Alright guys, so I'm gonna move to the other side of the bank. Fished about half this side, and now the sun's starting to peek through, and that side is getting hit by sunlight first. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and fish the shaded side while I still can. You know, these bass love the shade, so I'm gonna be over here for a while. What's going on? A little update for you guys. It's about 7:15. I've been out in the water for about an hour and 15 minutes. The top water bite has died down a lot. These bass, you know, they crave to stay away from that heat, and already the sun's starting to poke up. I don't know if y'all can see. For the first time today, the opposite side of the bank is getting sunlight, and this part right here that I'm fishing is shaded still. So I'm gonna keep working my way up this bank and just keep throwing the frog. And once it gets a little too hot, I'm gonna start working my way out deep, maybe anchor down and drag a 10-inch worm or a chatterbait or something of the sort. But anyway, just want to give you a quick update. The grind is real. The grind is real. But anyways, let's get back out there and see if we can get another one. Got him. Little guy. Come on, dude. Get up here. Woo! That's a healthy dude. Dude, finally. It's been a minute since I got a fish. It's been like an hour. Hook out. There we go. Sheesh, look at that. What a beauty. Pitched right into this grass over here, and I was slowly rolling it out, and I knew there was a fish in there. I saw a bunch of bait flicker, but yeah, look at that one. Beautiful fish. Dark colors living in this grass. Yeah, let's get him back. It's about a pound, nothing more, maybe a pound and a half. It's got a little gut on him. All right, let's get him back. Shoot. All right, see you, dude. This wind's just kind of carrying me down the bank, which is cool, I guess. The moment it hit the water, it was in the grass. And the chatterbait I'm using, just in case y'all are wondering, is chartreuse and white with the Strike King swim bait on the back, and it's the original chatterbait. Oh. What? I was ripping it through the grass and the tiniest fish had it in his mouth the whole time. I didn't even know. And it came up here, saw me, and just let go, swam away. That's hilarious. Oh, dang it. Made a fool of me. Cast is right in the right spot, too. Okay, woo. I'm calling a day. It's getting a little too hot. I don't know if you can tell, but I am dripping sweat. It's about 9:15. Good solid 3 hours on the water today. Not super productive. I mean, I think I caught 2, maybe 3. Sometimes it's just about going out and exploring new places, trying to see what you can get into. But anyways, I had a lot of fun today. I hope y'all did as well. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Peace. On.